Let's turn this video to a CCTV footage in DaVinci Resolve. In the edit page of DaVinci Resolve, go to the effects, then search for CCTV. Drag and drop it on top of the clip here. Right away we have the CCTV effect applied. Now in the inspector, in the effects, we can edit some settings, change the text on the right upper corner, and start typing the text that you want. I'll put CCTV. You can also change the font size, tracking, and spacing. The text in the upper left corner is controlled here. The same settings can be changed for the left upper text. If you want to delete this bottom text, you can do it from here. We can also enable the record light on. This brings us the flashing red circle. You can also change the scan lines, the scan line angle, the saturation. You can also change the noise size, the noise strength, and the blur size. And this is how easy it is to turn any video into a CCTV footage in DaVinci Resolve. Subscribe for more videos like this.